Good morning, student. Welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Today I am going to teach you class 7, lesson 7, subject civics. Topic name is understanding gender socio-economic aspects. This topic is very important because we know about the gender. Gender, male or female will be required in the family genders. But in the society, you consider the thing in the mind, male prefer as much superior than the females. Society in the society, it is natural habitats also, and they think in the mind the males are very considered good, but you think in the mind female also good considered, they have equal status in the society. But in some society, people think in the mind that males are most as good as preferred to females because they only do their own household activities, go to the in-law house. They think in the minds these things fit in the society, but we have in a modern era, we have to think in the minds, we have to change this scenario that the girls is also a good, this is best and superior than the boys in all the atmosphere of the life. For example, Kalpana Chawla go to the space, you think she was very good lady. In comparison to maths also, in the examination also, you see in the examination also, girls prepare is much superior than the boys in case. But today, the modern era slowly change, and people come to know that girls are also good in the societies. Let's discuss here about it. Gender. The word gender refers to the fact of being male or females, especially which considered with reference to the social and cultural difference. You think the man, you consider the man that she is a girl, he is a boy, and these things is only different from the societies. In your family also, in the family, we should need they give security to the female's personality also, to the girls' facilities also. But you see in some families, some of the mothers or father prefer to the boys. They give him one glass of milk, but the girl's child is denied it. They think in their minds that the boys are considered because they earn money for the livelihood. I think in the mind the girls go to the in-law house. They only make activities as only the household activities, kitchen works, and do lots of domestic and burden to him from till morning to the till at the night also. But you see the male person to the boys person, they give all requests. They give the very good toys also, cycles also, motorcycles also, bike also. They consider roaming here and there, but girls are not going to outside the home. They only consider it at the home. They only think in the mind their home is good. They are not allowed to go to the school also for the security. And only thing in the minds that they think in the society that the girls are not superior there. But I think, and you also think in the mind that girls are also superior in their way, because you see your mother, they do lots of work from the morning to till night also. You see, they do household activity also, go to the school also, go to the doctors, hospital, clinic also, and do their jobs. So knowledge is a whole beauty. So in the thing in the mind, the girls society, girls also would be prefer good in the society if they do hard work in their studies. They could get better jobs and they have equal status, and the dignity and integrity also give the nations. Let us discuss here. First, we discuss about gender roles in a family. In a family, you see the girl's child prepares. Suppose in a family, girls takes birth. They think in the mind that girls is not good because they go to the boys. They think that with the male superiority means. But you think in the mind some of the children. For some of the family has you see in the mind only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children, 6 girls. They think in the mind is inferiority to the girls also. But you think in the minds. Small family is a happy family. Girls also prepare good in comparison to males also. You give equal status to the girls also. So think in the mind you should consider girls. The thing that they only do their household activities, they give them a good part of knowledge also to send to the schools, and in the school they beat a competition and secure become a good engineer also, doctor also. And this dignity, this give a unique status in the societies, and slowly give motivation to the other girls' child also. So you see in the families, mothers or fathers prefer to the boys. They give cycles also, toys also, everything they want. They give, but girls wants give me a child or dolls, anything. They are denied. Why? Because they think in the mind girls are not considered a good personalities. They go to the in-law house for the purpose. But you have to change these situations. This scenario is not good. Girls are also good in the education field also. They are very good in studies also. They are household activities also, and do hard studies in work and secure a good percentage in comparison to male persons. Gender roles in community. In the community, they think the minds they are girls. They are very weakness. Their mentality is very difference. Because this is not a good. In the foreign countries, you see the girls are very good in their studies. They do lots of works. They do extra work. They hard. They earn the money and learn his livelihood. At home, they come at home is. They set up rules and regulations at home. There is mathematical system also in some societies. The mothers of girls are good for the societies. So don't think the minds that girls are not good. Girls are considered good. They are the backbone of the society. Without girls, there is no mother, no mothers, no father, no mothers, no aunt. Means girls is considered as one of the backbone of society. They give a equal status, a impurity. Men make the house, but women make their own house. So think in the mind, good girls are also good in the societies. Don't think in the mind they are girls, they are poor girls, they are weakless, they are feebles. They are not allowed to go to cycles also. They are not go to central schools, so they are not go to the other activities, house activity. But you think that girls are superior than boys. They also do hard work, but give the chance. Please send to the student to the school also. Girls also, their sisters also go to the schools. So these schools, this education is the backbone, because education are the most powerful weapon that can change the whole world. Gender role in school. In the school, you see, all are equal in the schools. When the children have to participate in the take admission in the school, we are considered all are equals. They all give equal status in the school also. So impart also same institution, same we have to impart same status in the schools, same type of knowledge we are given here. But if you consider male or female, boys or girls, you see that the girls' population too much low in comparison to male. Why? Because in the earlyhood there is a female infanticide also. They know about this is girls, the female infanticide also. So this is a very bad habits in comparison to girls' side. So you think in the minds without girls there is no security in the others. So think in the minds we give equal status, good creature and good advantage through girls. If you consider sex ratio in India, you see in year 1901, in females per thousands male, in compared to the 1000 male, there is only in 1901 there is 972 girls. In 1911, in compared to 1000 males, there is 974 girls. In 1921, you see there are 955 girls in comparison to 1000. In 1931, you see there are 950 girls in comparison to 1000 males. In 1941, it was 945 girls. In 1951, you see 946 girls are there. In 1961, in 941 girls in comparison with there are 1000 males, so girls are only 941. In 1971, you see there are 930 girls in comparison to female person. In 1981, there are 994 girls in comparison to 1000 person. In 1991, there are 927 girls in comparison to male person. In 2001, there are 933 girls in comparison to 1000 male. In 2011, there are 940 girls in comparison to female, in comparison to males also. So see in the mind, in the early 1991, there are 972 girls in comparison to 1000 males. But today, in the 2011 census, there is 940 girls, and in comparison to 1000 males, 60 girls are missing here. Why? Because this is a social inequality. There is female infanticide also. Most of the people don't think in the mind the girls should be take born in their societies. They only think in the mind there will be a boys also. No, there are girls. What would happen if you think if there are no girls, the population of boys not increase? So that's why we should need the females also take part in this lovely art. They have the also right to go to the school. They also have the equal pay for equal work in the societies. They also need equal status in the societies, and to participate in the elections also. Go to the, you see the Kalpana Chawla, Indira Gandhi. These are lots of girls which present, which are gave one of the history. They make the history that the girls can do lots of work. The girls are become pilot also. They can fly the Rafales fighter planes today. Today you see the girls is considered is one of the good personalities also. So please send your girls' child to the school also, and they give him equal status in the societies. The gender stereotype, don't think in the mind they stereotype a particular religion, think in the mind the girls are very weak, they are feeble, they cannot do it, but it is very wrong. You think in the mind girls are superior in comparison to male persons. Thank you, have a nice day.